Welcome to Shop. This is where you will learn how to create digital wealth and have fun. In this video, I will look at three areas. Okay, number one, what experts says about Bitcoin. They said Bitcoin could hit 100,000 in 2022. Number two area that we'll look at is Bitcoin halving. What you need to know about Bitcoin halving, I'll also share it in this video. If it will make the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency to surge, you will definitely know in the course of this video. Okay, so the third area that we'll be looking at is the particular date to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Is it now that you should be buying and be holding, okay, until the next bull run, or you wait till next year before the next bull run? And also, this third aspect would now take us to the exact date when the next bull run will be. Okay, so make sure you keep watching the video to the end so that you can get all this first-hand information that will give you, edge in the crypto space. Okay, for the sake of those that are new to this channel, my name is James Adejo. My old subscriber, I appreciate your efforts for supporting my channel, especially Pius Kwasi. He's from Ghana. So Pius, greet Ghanaians, okay? Greet everybody in Ghana. Tell them I love them, okay? Thank you for watching my videos, okay, and for supporting my channel, okay? Because I said you should comment and you did. Thank you very much. I really appreciate, okay? If you want me to mention your name in my next video, comment below this video and tell me where you are watching from so that I can also comment about you in my videos, okay? For the new viewers, I am glad to have you watching this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell, okay, so that you can be getting updates anytime I upload. Let's pick the first point, which is what experts says about Bitcoin. They said Bitcoin could hit $100,000 in 2022. You know, in cryptocurrency, anything is possible. It may happen and it may not. That is crypto for you. Here are some of the prediction I found. Okay, I ranked them from low to high. So the first one is Balina, Ian Balina. Okay, he's the owner of Token Metrics. Okay, he's a Bitcoin investor and founder of crypto research and media company. Okay, the name of his company is Token Metrics. Okay, his prediction is that Bitcoin can go to 100,000 to 150,000, but the timeline is unclear. That is, he's not certain about the timeline, but he's definitely sure that Bitcoin is going to hit from $100,000 to $150,000. The reason is this. He said Bitcoin is in a bearish settlement cycle, but the total cryptocurrency market and other crypto asset classes are not. Okay, the other cryptocurrency are not. But Bitcoin was, because Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, but now others have surpassed it in innovation when it comes to what experts call Web3, aka the new internet built on the blockchain. The release of new altcoins and hype about the metaverse will continue to drive the market for crypto, and Bitcoin will therefore bounce back eventually. So that is what Ian Balina says about how the behavior of Bitcoin in the nearest future. And another person is Matthew Helland. Okay, Matthew Helland, is a technical analyst and also blockchain data analyst. His prediction is that Bitcoin can reach $100,000 in 2022. His reason is that the price of Bitcoin in January 2022 is almost equal to its price in January 2021, but there is a new demand for altcoin. Okay, there is also an ongoing trend of Bitcoin supply. Okay, leaving major exchanges, leaving major exchanges to be stored. Okay, people started storing their cryptocurrency on offline crypto wallets. Okay, Hayland said in his tweet, he also recently tweeted that a dip below $40,000 could lead to a free fall into a Bitcoin bear market. That is, if Bitcoin goes below 40,000, it simply means we are falling into the bear market. So another person also that also gave a prediction about what would happen in the crypto space is Robert Breedlove. Okay, Robert Breedlove. His point of view is that he's a founder and a CEO of the digital asset marketing and consulting firm Parallax Digital. So the name of his own company is Parallax Digital. Okay, his prediction is that $370,000 by October, That is what Bitcoin will be. That is 2021. He said that Bitcoin will hit 307,000 by October 2021. Okay, it is past now. And he said that Bitcoin will hit $12.5 million by 2031. His reason is that inflationary pressure after COVID-19 will drive interest in cryptocurrency, pushing the value of Bitcoin up higher than previous projection estimated. Okay, Breedlove said in an interview earlier this year, known as more of a philosopher type among crypto lovers. Okay, Breedlove speaks often about the broader social implication of crypto as a form of more transparent, decentralized currency, but his price prediction haven't exactly been spotted on. Okay, now other big financial institutes have made their own prediction as well. Okay, with JP Morgan predicted a long-term high of Bitcoin to reach $146,000, and Bloomberg predicts it could hit $400,000 if the currency climbs at rate comparable to the past. Okay, that is, Bitcoin is going to hit what they've predicted compared to what Bitcoin has done in the past. Okay, let's take a good look at the second coverage in this video, which is about Bitcoin halving. Now, what is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving is an event where the block reward for miners, okay, new Bitcoins, okay, from when miners mine new Bitcoin, okay, it is halved. That reward that they usually receive when they mine Bitcoin is halved, meaning that Bitcoin miners will receive 50% less Bitcoin for every transaction they verify. BTC halving occurs every 210,000 blocks, which equates to a halving occurring approximately every 4 years. That is the meaning. So in other words, crypto halving usually occur every 4 years. Okay, let's look at the chart of Bitcoin halving since 2009. Okay, we're going to be looking at that right away. Now look at this, the date, the halving, the date, the block reward, the mine period, and the percentage. BTC launched at launch, that is January 3rd, 2009, 0 block, okay, block reward was 50, and 10.5 million BTC were mined in that period, okay, which accumulated to 50% of the whole Bitcoin. Now, the first halving took place 28 November 2012, okay, and the block that was generated was 210,000. That is 210,000 blocks were generated. Then for the reward, it was 25 BTC for every transaction they verified. Okay, then mined in period, it was 5.2 million. Okay, 5,250,000 mined period. That is the quantity of BTC that was mined in before the first halving took place. Now, if you look at the second halving, it took place 9th July 2016. Now, the third halving, we're looking, it took place May, 2020. Okay, that has already occurred. Okay, you can see it has already occurred. And the fourth halving is what we're expecting in 2024. So in 2024, 840,000 blocks should have been generated. Okay, then the reward for confirming transaction, that is the miners confirming transaction, is going to be 3.125 BTC. You can see that it's reducing, the reward is reducing. Okay, then what they will generate at that point is going to be 656, okay, thousand of Bitcoin. That is 96.89%. Then if you look at the halving, okay, the fifth halving, which the projection of 2028, they are looking at the halving to become 1.5, okay, 1.5 BTC. Okay, then for 2032, they are looking at it hitting 0.7, okay, 0.78. Okay, so as you can see from the above table, the amount of Bitcoin mined and the block reward drops by half at every halving event. By 2032, over 99% of Bitcoin will have been mined, and it is estimated to take up until 2140 until 100% of the total Bitcoin that will be mined. Okay, so it's going to be 2140, which most of us might not be alive again. Okay, so that is when it will become 100% mined. So in other words, Bitcoin is still going to surge. It's going to surge. So make sure if you want your generation to break out of poverty, make sure you are holding at least 0.1 Bitcoin. Okay, make sure that you're holding 1 Bitcoin. The third area I will look at is the particular date to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's analyze the price of Bitcoin from 2009 and compare with the Bitcoin halving to have a clearer picture of when to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Okay, you can see these other analysis. So the next halving, okay, this particular Deltec Bank gave the specific date, even time when the halving will take place. You see, 2024, he said the halving is going to take place March. Okay, that is 2nd of March, 2024, as at 7:45, 53 a.m. GMT. So that is the projection. So 2024, the next halving will take place. Now, after what we're going to be checking in the third area to know when to buy and also when to sell. Okay, in the course of analyzing the halving and the price history of Bitcoin, you will definitely pick the idea. Okay, you have a clearer picture of the exact point, okay, at the particular time to enter the market so that you can make good profit from it. Okay, so that is the projection. So let's take a look at the history. Now look at the history here. You can see that in 2012, towards the ending, okay, Bitcoin halved. And when it halved, look at, you can see this area. You can see this area. Okay, when it halved, then Bitcoin surged. After it surged, it now drop. Okay, then next, it surged again. Then after it surged, it now drop. Then after the drop, the next halving took place. Okay, you can see. And also look, as 2012, 2009, when it started, before it halved, it also dropped. You see it, look at this point, it also dropped. Then when it dropped, it will start picking again. Immediately after the halving, then you start picking until you now get all-time high for that particular cycle before you will now start calculating for the next cycle. So now look at the peak of the other cycle. So it hit, you can see it. So the next halving that took place around 2016, you can see that after the drop, the thing started climbing gradually before it halved. So what I've observed is that before the halving, there's always a little peak and the price of it before it will halve. Okay, once it halved, then after the halving, that we usually experience all-time high. You can see the first one, the second one, the third one. So definitely, from my own projection, Bitcoin will still drop a little bit. Okay, it can come to this level here, which is around. It can come to this level before the next surge. Okay, before the next surge, it can come to around this area. You can see it. So okay, look at the projection. So it will go down, come to this level, around this level, before it start going back to the top. So I will only advise, okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, this video is just for educational purpose only. Okay, so make sure you contact your advisor before investing your hard-earned money, right? So this is just for educational purpose. So having said that, let's go back to the chart again and let me show you something. So if you want to buy Bitcoin and hold, what you should do is just take a good look at this. If you can track down where the bottom where it will reach before it will start picking up. Okay, that is the best point to buy. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to be making research from now and know the exact point. I will use live charts, to analyze and bring every fact to you. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting our update anytime we drop information. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be getting my subsequent videos when I upload. See you in my next video. God bless you. Did you know?